Alright guys, thank you for coming back to Salako the Analyst. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe, please do that right now. Subscribe to my channel, right? So today I'll be showing you how to insert columns, right? Of course, you know that if you want to insert columns, first way to go about it is to right click on where you want to insert the column. I mean, when you want to insert the row, I meant to say, you want to insert the row, right click and click on insert. It gives you a row there. You want to insert it at position 3, come here and insert it. So how about let's undo what we just did, I meant to say. So how about when you want to insert multiple rows? Let's say at this point you want to insert 5 rows. So that will mean you have to do this. You have to go there again and do this again. And you keep doing that, keep going on and on, right? So I'll show you a way to do this at one go. Let's undo what we've done already. So all you need to do is to come here. You want to insert at this point, right? Come here, then hold shift. If you are practicing this from your end, hold down your shift button. Hold shift, right? So and drag. Let's say you want to do it. Okay, there's a mistake there already. So hold down shift. Let's say you want to do it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Once 5 rows there. Right? You see what? No. There has to be something I'm doing wrong. Okay. So you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So you see that it has given you 5 different rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a faster way to go about it. So if you need to add multiple rows, so you just come here. Let's say you want to add 5 more. Come here, right? Hold down your shift button. It brings out, you can see that it has, when you hold down shift button, something else shows, right? So you can see that you have a double line there. So click on that line, then drag it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see it has added an additional 5 rows for you. I hope you've learned something today, right? Do all to